In this video, I'll be showing you how to make circle webcam in OBS Studio. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So I have my webcam right here. Let's say I want to make it into a circle. I got to go ahead and download a circular mask. So what you want to do is go onto something like ChatGPT or anything like that, and just ask it to make a circle for you with a transparent background. It has to be a transparent background, but it's going to have to be a circle like this. Then all you want to go ahead and do is once you have it downloaded, mine's on my desktop right now, you want to go over to your face cam, then go over to filters when you right click on it, and then you're going to see the plus icon for effect filters right here. You're going to see a lot of different options, but you want to go to image, mask, and blend. Go ahead and press OK. It's going to ask you the pathway, so you want to go ahead and find that little circle image. Go ahead and click on that, and then that's it. It's going to make that circle for you. I can then go ahead and really just do whatever I want to it, like so, and then yeah, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.